Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we uncover the best products on the market for you. Today, we're delving into the world of beauty and personal care with a focus on eyebrow perfection. Get ready to discover the best brow wax stick available. Introducing the 1200-pack wooden waxing sticks, Wax Spatulas sticks. These small wax applicator sticks from MMonDod are a game-changer for achieving flawless brows. Let's dive into what makes them stand out. First up, let's talk quantity. With a whopping 1200 pieces in one pack, you'll never run out of these handy tools. Whether you're a salon professional or a DIY enthusiast, this pack has you covered. But quantity means nothing without quality, right? Fear not. These spatula applicators are crafted from high-quality wood, ensuring a smooth and comfortable experience every time. No more worrying about splinters or rough edges. Now, let's talk about versatility. These waxing sticks aren't just for eyebrows. Oh no! They're perfect for targeting those pesky hairs anywhere on your face or body. From lip to bikini line, these sticks have you covered. One of the standout features of these sticks is their design. With a pointed handle and spatula-shaped tip, precise application has never been easier. Say goodbye to messy waxing sessions. So, how can you use these waxing sticks? The possibilities are endless. Whether you're shaping your brows, removing unwanted facial hair, or even tackling nose hair, these sticks are your go-to tool. In conclusion, the 1200-pack wooden waxing sticks, Wax Spatulas sticks from MMonDod are a must-have for anyone serious about eyebrow perfection. With their quantity, quality, versatility, and precision design, they're truly the best brow wax sticks available on the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more reviews on top-notch products, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Until next time, happy waxing!